Okay, this is how to connect to the Premium VPN app. So first of all, you open your app, tap on allow. Now it says update convex. Okay, it says update convex over here. So you need to update it to change the version number. Okay, if it is on version 1, you don't have any service from your respective administrators. So that's how to go about it. First of all, this side at the extreme left side, all of this side, just press that place. Don't remove your hand, just press it. Okay, so you press, then you can see something has popped up. Don't release your hand, then you swipe your hand on your screen to the right side or to the logo where you have the premium. So when swiping, you see it is also moving. Then you've seen the features. So let me explain the features. We have online updates. So you need to connect your internet, so you must have internet connectivity. Then you tap on online updates. Okay, so you tap on online updates. So let me turn on my data, then I'll tap on online updates. Then you can see the notification for the update to pop up. So this is version 3. Okay, and the following servers, we have these administrator servers in the app. Okay, so you just tap on the apply. Good. Then right now, let's tap on update convex. Now you can see the version is 3. Okay, so now let's tap on the update convex. Then you can see we have available servers over here. Now each server and its respective administrator. So you can see this is for MapTech, this is for MapTech, this is for MapTech, then this is for JJ Tech, this is also for JJ Tech. So for you to connect to any of the respective servers, you must go to the administrators for their login details. So let's assume that you've gotten the login details. Okay, so you just tap on, let me tap on MapTech's VPS. Now we do the same process by swiping from left to right. Good. Then we now tap on enter logins. So you tap on enter logins. Then you need to activate the account. So you tap on it to activate. Then you now enter the username. Okay, so username, let me make it phone. Good. So after entering the username, then you just tap on this to go back. Then now you can connect to this. Okay, so let me activate the account. Let me activate the account on my server and come back here to connect for you. By the way, let's connect and see right now. Good. You can see it states that username or password has expired. Enter correct logins before tapping on connect. It means that we have not activated the account yet, so you can't just enter anything. You need the account to be activated by your administrators. So let me activate the account and connect again. Okay, so I've activated the account on my server. So now let's connect again and see. This time you can see it says what? Connected. So it is now what? Connected. So that is how to get connected on Premium VPN. Okay, if you are an administrator, someone who owns a VPS, and you also want your service to be added, you can just swipe from left to the right, then tap on the about. Then you can see the third option over here. So you just tap on this to contact the administrator for your server to be added.